Carlino and I do stuff. And today what I'm doing is replacing the bumper on the back of my 2003 Dodge Dakota. Charlie, if you're familiar with the channel. I'm trying to get the old bumper off, but there is a bolt. The head of the bolt is rounded out, and as I try to crank on the nut, it just spins. I've tried putting vice grips on it, I've tried getting a socket on it, but nothing will hold that bolt in place. And it's in an awkward place where I can't even get a cutoff wheel to cut off the head of the bolt. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to get that bolt off. I've got my little Harbor Freight flux wire welder here, which is a very handy thing. It doesn't do nice work, but it does do effective work. I am welding this scrap piece of steel to the head of that bolt, right up there. All right, let's go ahead and spray a little more penetrating oil on here. There we go. Seems like I've used half a can already, but a little more never hurts. And let's give it a try. I've got a socket on the end of a ratcheting breaker bar here. There we go. And now let's see if this works. Oh! Look at that! Huh. I have welded it again. Here we go. Take two. I think that we're making progress here. Okay, I'm going to try going the wrong way a little bit. There we go. So get it. Maybe I can just get that nut to budge, which I think I did. And now I'm going to reverse the direction on the ratchet. I'm going to reverse the direction again. There we go. Oh, okay, well, I'm okay with that. That bolt is out, so I'm happy. All right, well, the bolt broke. Just broke right off, which is really fine. I mean, I wasn't gonna reuse that anyway. But it's not as satisfying as when you can get the nut to come all the way off. But either way, it's out, and I didn't have to drill into the truck. So that's a win. So you do not need to have to be afraid to weld scrap metal to the head of a bolt that is spinning and otherwise cannot be retained. This is Clay Carlino telling you to be brave.